Welcome to the DCC Museum.
Hi and welcome back. Today's video is about a problem that can occur with a switch in the lid from portables like the Philips DCC 175, 170, 134, the Marantz PDM 601 and Panasonic RQ-DR9. We have not seen these on the first generation DCC 130s, Panasonic RQ-DP7 or Victor ZD-V1s. When you touch the lid during any feature like playback or recording, the player can stop and even shut off. The problem is caused by this detection switch in the lid that checks if the lid is actually closed. We have done detailed videos about dismantling and replacing the belts on these players, but in order to access the faulty switch, the procedure is similar. Now we have better access to the screws holding the lid in place. Two small screws on the top and one on the side, and the lid can be removed. With the removal of these four small screws, you can separate the inside with electronics from the lid. Now we can remove and clean the faulty switch. we put the switch in an ultrasonic bath filled with IPA. After double checking the switch, we can solder it back. Be careful when aligning these side switches as they easily break. So a good cleaning of this switch is necessary eventually, but now it is working like new again. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.